on Dolene. I'm missing something. What's that? Shit with my song. Hey. Oh, it's stuck. Let me put some flour down, base. Hey Z, hey Pookie Pie. Hi the baby. I ain't seen you in a minute. Don't leave me. Ooh. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Ooh. This bread smells so good. You busy. I miss you too, Z. Girl, I've been around. Girl, around here. Learn how to make me some sourdough bread. That's what I did with my time. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? That's what I did, girl. I was like, I like to eat. I like bread. Why not? Actually, this is my sourdough. Her name Dolene, girl. This Dolene. My little top a little crusty. But that's her. Look at that. I mean, you ain't gonna be excited about it like me, but that's my sourdough. I need to feed it, but that's my girl Dolene. And yeah. I need to cut this dough. I don't have my scraper thingy. I can't find it. I just wanna be alone with you. I need to cut this in half. And I can't find my scraper. I'm gonna get a knife. That's what I can do. That's how my scraper is. MIA. I did it last night. It's crazy. Anyway, this is enough to make 2 loaves. I'm gonna do me a I want to set up the pepperoni and cheese inclusion one, so we're gonna get down on that. That one over here. I might need some more flour, but maybe not. I don't know. I opened it up. Yeah. My song went on. I didn't think nobody was gonna be up here. Girl, you can't come up here and have fun no more. So when it wasn't fun no more, I had to go. You know, go and expand my mind, do fun things, do new things. You feel me? So bread it is. Now, I should have started adding my cheese and my inclusion loaves, but I didn't. And I'm just gonna put me some mozzarella inside here. I do got a couple chunks, so you might see a couple chunks fall up in here. That's gonna be the good stuff. You know, up in the cracks and crevices of your food. I didn't break my pepperoni up, but we gonna throw that up in there too. This big bag behavior, you got to be careful with this big bagness and all this goodness here. I hope I got enough cheese because I'm making 2 loaves. I'm gonna do a plain cheese one because my daughter don't like pepperoni. And, yeah, that's why I did came up in here, learn how to do me some damn sourdough. When they did me a couple of I ain't gonna lie, I went through the process up here. You know, a lot of people ain't into, but I am. I'm into my gut being healthy because the gut is like the second brain. You feel me? So it is what it is. Fold that in half. I can add some more. This big back behavior. Proceed with caution. And I got different blends of mozzarella in here. I got chunks. I got small, large, everything. You feel me? Yeah. Big back behavior. Big back. Big back. Okay. Flip this over here. Oh, come on, girl. Do right. Do right. There we go. I don't got enough flour on the counter. I had some. That was my fault. Oh, you can't add some more right here. Now this real big. This only when your back. Wow. Put that right there. My little piece of pepperoni look weird. I'm gonna put that piece up there anyway, because I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna put these little two, make them small. Like that. Bam. Can you see them? Bam. Then I'm using bread flour. That's on the counter. I just want to add a little extra. Then I'm gonna fold it. You know what I'm saying? This big bag stuff here. If your back little, don't mess with me. You gotta push and pull. Get it up in there like that there. And I'm gonna put this on some parchment paper because I'm gonna open bake. But this been bulk fermenting on the counter overnight. Push and yeah, I've been doing my time. I gotta get my parchment paper. Make these suckers now, for real. Right there. Good enough one. Yeah, I'm gonna open bake that. bag of one. I gotta get her to get that dough off my little bowl because I don't want no problems with that. Oh, come on, bread. Come on, bread. Come on, bread. Okay. This is my other one. And this is going to be straight up cheese. And I already got my marinara sauce made. I should have some left over. Just for the big bags only. Don't come over here, back little. Make my bread. Don't be afraid now. That's to the side like that. No. Then I sprinkle a little bit more for big backs. Bam. I'm gonna use the rest of the cheese because it's not going back in the fridge. There you go. Get my dinner ready. I'm gonna go ahead and preheat my oven because I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna go ahead and cook these. I could put them in the fridge for a little while, but I'm not. Get that joint cracking. Oh dang, why I do that? Let me need some paper. I think I'm gonna put this one on another baking sheet. That way I don't interfere with my other bread. This is my pepperoni and cheese. I need to score it. I don't have no sharp blade, but I'm gonna use a I'm gonna bust it open like this here so it can be, you know what I'm saying. I do need to get me and get a score because I make bread all the time. I just ain't bothered to go get one. I'm in the parchment paper on this one. I'm putting a little water at the bottom in this other little pot. this at the bottom. Oh, my pan sitting there. Put that to the side. No, I'm about to put these in my cast iron skillet. I'm tripping. This gonna be busting. So I'm gonna put that one in here. The other one gonna go in this other skillet. Oven preheating. That's it. Thank you for the likes, Nay. 9. Say 9. Yeah, got my bread jumping. Everything was already proofed and ready to go, so I'll probably replay it on my YT. But this is my cheese loaf. Look, I had to look to try to figure out which one is one. This is my cheese loaf. And everything stayed fermented all night. Now, I could put them in the fridge, but I don't want... I'm about to cook these now. If I was cooking them later. But I feel like everything ready to go. They're going to be busting. Got the oven going. And I don't even cook mine in the Dutch oven because I don't think I have any. These gonna go in there. I got a gas stove, 400 degrees. I normally let mine sit in there for like a 45 minutes to an hour. And they be nice and good. That's it. And I more than likely show the finished product when they come out on my channel.